Extract full LinkedIn profile information for free to gather comprehensive lead details. This demo showcases how LinkFinder AI simplifies lead enrichment by scraping LinkedIn profiles efficiently. Click the first link in the video description to go to LinkFinder AI. Switch to the LinkFinder AI website to begin the data enrichment process. Click Start Free Trial to create a free account and access the platform. Select the data type from options including company name, company domain, email address, or LinkedIn company URL. Choose the appropriate data type to specify what information you want to enrich. Click Select Output Type to choose between LinkedIn profile URL or verified email. Fill in the output type to define the format of the enriched data. Click the Enter Full Name field to input the lead's name. Enter the lead's full name to begin the search. Click the Company Name field to specify the lead's company. Enter the lead's company name to refine the search results. Click Enrich Data to start gathering information from the lead's LinkedIn profile. Click the LinkedIn profile URL to view the lead's detailed profile. Select the data type again to perform another enrichment task. Fill in the data type to specify the information needed for the next search. Click Select Output Type to choose between LinkedIn profile data, phone number, or email address. Fill in the output type to define the desired data format for this enrichment. Click the Enter LinkedIn Profile URL field to input the profile link. Enter the lead's LinkedIn profile URL to proceed with scraping. Click Enrich Data to extract detailed information from the LinkedIn profile. Click the lead's profile details, including name, title, and location, to review information. Click Select Output Type to specify the data format for the next enrichment. Fill in the output type to choose the desired data format. Click Enrich Data to continue extracting lead information. Click the lead's email address to access contact details. Click Select Output Type to choose the data format for further enrichment. Fill in the output type to specify the desired data format. Click Enrich Data to extract additional lead information. Click the lead's phone number to view contact information. Click Select Output Type to define the data format for the next extraction. Fill in the output type to specify the format of the enriched data. Click Upload CSV bulk to enrich multiple leads at once. Click Select File to choose your CSV file containing lead data. Click Process 13 items to start bulk enrichment of your leads. Click here to proceed with the selected enrichment option. Click API Access to view integration options for developers. Click View API Docs to explore detailed API usage instructions. Click B2B Data Lookup to access business contact and company data endpoints. Click LinkedIn Profile to LinkedIn Info to see API details for profile data extraction. Click Always Async to understand how job ID polling works for asynchronous calls. Click Async to configure asynchronous API requests. Click Post LinkedIn Profile T-Email Sync to find professional emails from LinkedIn profiles. Click the curl post example showing how to authenticate and request email lookup. Click Post LinkedIn Profile T-Email Sync to access synchronous email lookup API. Click B2B Data Lookup to explore business contact profiles without LinkedIn account risk. Click the curl post example to find phone numbers from LinkedIn profile URLs via API.